Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to remove your WhatsApp account on other devices. So let's head over to our WhatsApp app. As you can see, here it is. So what you need to do is to just click the three dots up here. Let's click that, and you can see here the linked devices. Let's click that option, and you will see here a list of devices that are logged in on your WhatsApp. So as you can see right now, mine don't have any linked devices, but if yours have, then they will appear right here, and what you need to do is just tap on them and click on log out. If you want to link a device, just click in here. There's actually another method that you can do. So let's head over again to the home, click the three dots again, head over to settings, and then in here you can just head over to your account and add a two-step verification. So basically, a two-step verification will ask the other device to put that code right there in order to access your account. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.